Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make hummus pasta. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of your favorite pasta, 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, and about 1/2 cup of tahini. Don't forget 2 cloves of fresh garlic and 1/4 cup of bright lemon juice. These foundational items will create a delicious and satisfying meal for everyone to enjoy. Now, let's create that amazing hummus sauce. Begin by thoroughly draining and rinsing your chickpeas. Then, combine them in a food processor with the tahini, garlic, and lemon juice. Add 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil to the mix. Blend everything until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy, achieving that perfect hummus consistency for your pasta. Next, cook your pasta until it's perfectly al dente, following the package instructions. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1 cup of that starchy pasta cooking water. This liquid is key. Gradually add it to your hummus sauce, stirring until it reaches your desired consistency. Finally, combine the warm sauce with your hot, drained pasta, ensuring every strand is coated. To finish, taste your hummus pasta and season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For a beautiful presentation and extra flavor, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or a dash of vibrant paprika. A final small drizzle of olive oil can truly elevate the dish. Serve your delicious hummus pasta immediately and savor every delightful bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.